To change your name on Facebook, log into your Facebook account. Click Account in the top right of Facebook. Select Settings and Privacy. Then click Settings. Then click on General. Then go to Name. As I am Huma Malik. Then click Edit. Then type your first name, second name, and last name. Enter your name and click Review Change. Then select your desired name from 3 options. Enter your password. And finally click Save Changes. Now you can see the name is changed into Hira Ali. It will show you on your profile after some time.